Welcome to this geometry tutorial. Today, we are going to learn a powerful method called Heron's formula. This formula allows us to calculate the area of any triangle when we only know the lengths of its three sides. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the basics. A triangle is defined by its three edges and three vertices. We usually label the side lengths as a, B, and C. To use the method we are learning today, you must know the specific measurements of all three of these sides. So, why do we need a special formula? Well, the standard way to find the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. But often in real-world problems or geometry questions, you are given the sides, but you are not given the vertical height. Without the height, the standard formula does not work. This is exactly where Heron's formula saves the day. Here is the formula itself. It might look a bit intimidating with the square root symbol, but it is actually quite simple. The area equals the square root of s, multiplied by s minus a, multiplied by s minus b, and multiplied by s minus c. You might be wondering, what does the letter stand for? The letter C stands for the semiperimeter. The perimeter is the total distance around the triangle, so the semiperimeter is simply half of that. To calculate C, you add up sides A, B, and C, and then divide the total by 2. We can break the entire calculation down into 3 easy steps. Step 1, identify the lengths of the three sides. Step 2, calculates the semiperimeter. And step 3, plug your values into the formula to solve for the area. Let's try an example together. Let's find the area of a triangle with side lengths of 3 meters, 4 meters, and 5 meters. This is our first step, clearly identifying our values for a B and C. Now for step 2, we need to find C. We add 3 plus 4 plus 5, which equals 12. Then we divide 12 by 2. This gives us a semiperimeter of 6. Moving to step 3, we substitute our numbers into Heron's formula. We replace with 6, and we replace a B and C with 3, 4, and 5. This gives us the square root of 6 times 6 minus 3 times 6 minus 4 times 6 minus 5. When we simplify the terms inside the parentheses, we get 6 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now we just do the multiplication. 6 times 3 is 18, times 2 is 36, times 1 remains 36. Finally, we take the square root of 36, which is 6. So the area of our triangle is 6 square meters. To wrap up, remember that Heron's formula is your go-to tool when you don't know the height of a triangle. Just find the semiperimeter first, then plug it into the square root equation. And always remember to write your final answer in square units. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.